Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to reset the Petrol Particulate filter, or what's known as GPF. Now, this is a little bit different than your catalytic converter, so they are both emission systems, but they're not the same. The GPF system basically controls like the particulate matter that come out of the exhaust and reduces those. So you wanna, when you replace it, you need to register that filter. You can also sometimes, if there's high accumulation on that filter, you can force regeneration as well. So I'll show you how to get to the screen and how to do that with the YOUCANIC scanner. Start the home screen, select maintenance, and then you scroll down to GPF and select BMW and then Smart VIN. Here we have a 2016 BMW 7 Series. Now, older BMWs might not have your GPF filter installed, but this one does. You go to special functions, and then you have a few options: initial operation when you first install it, regeneration to force cleaning of the GPF filter. Now, if there's codes in the engine control unit, or DME as BMW calls it, they are related to this. The regeneration might not go through, so you got to address some of those codes sometimes. But let's say you replaced it and you want to program it or register it, and then it says carry out initial operation of the Petrol Particulate filter. So you want to try that. Go with that first, and then once you do that, you go to register the new Petrol Particulate filter, and then you select 2 down here. Continue the service function. There's some notes here you need to read. I'm gonna select 1, and what this will do is basically register the car and let it know that a new GPF filter was installed on the vehicle. This procedure, you want to make sure you do it with the ignition turned on but the engine turned off, and press yes. And then the exchange registration of Petrol Particulate filter was successfully completed, and press yes, and that's it. So that is pretty easy, straightforward. Once you do the registration, you will need to carry out the initial operation. Okay, so like running it for the first time, basically. It says during initial operation, high exhaust gas temperatures. So be careful with that, because the exhaust is going to get really hot, and then you should do this outside, not inside a garage. And press yes, and it walks you through the steps. Start the engine and actually the brake pedal, and operate the start-stop button. It's gonna take a couple minutes to go through the procedure, and then that should be it. If everything goes smoothly, it'll say service function finished. And thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.